Are you excited?
Naingitan ako sa Pilipinas eh. Kaya gusto kong mag-Japan.
Grabe, kakagaling nyo lang ng Macau ah.
Masyadong mainit dito.
Po ang sarapan ninyo. Maraming salamat po.
Where are we going?
And again, for safety reasons, the use and charging of power banks on board are strictly prohibited. Power banks must not be stored in the overhead compartment. They shall always be kept with you or stored in your bag. Place your seat. Immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a hand and pull it tight. At the exit, before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this will slow down the evacuation flow. The life vest has an oil.
Pre-book meal. OG burnt cheesecake and hot chocolate. And kay Dada, na-miss niya ang
Namiss ko nasa lima.
Nasa
After 10 years.
10 years as if 10 years. Oh my God. Past is past.
On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Christian Pipito, First Officer Mark Hernandez, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us.
Welcome to Osaka. Hi, Maddie. We'll cross na. That's our shuttle over there, waiting for us. Mami, huwag mo.
Buhay Japan.
Daddy, love.
Sarap ako.
Sige.
Yung 6 kilometers lang.
Oh,
Mami, Daddy.
mommy, daddy. Mommy, daddy.
We're here at Moe's Burger for dinner. Hi! Hindi malamig ah. Why ka naka-jacket? Maddie's eating onion rings. Her favorite.
Indian.
Oh, onion rings. And then, we have takeout for Abuelo and Abuela. Okay, let's eat. Chicken nuggets. Hot pa. It's our second day. We're going to...
Bye, Savage.
We're going to Starbucks muna. Kasi
Mainit na yung ulo ko.
inaantok na kami ang aga-aga. Hi, baby!
You want Starbucks?
Later na tayo mag-room tour kasi ang gulo pa. Starbucks is there. Sa taas, Hubs. Go to Daddy. Maddie. Excited for matcha. Hi, Daddy Bonoy. Mami Pinty. Enjoying the streets of Shinsaibashi. Namba. Let's compare sa Donkey. Sa Daiso to. Hi, Maddie! Hala! Nasa Namba na kami. Where's Daddy? Nasa si Daddy?
Madalas, mami ako sa...
Manila? May kuha ba sa Manila?
Bukas siguro to. Mura lang dito.
Daddy, lalim na inisip. Keep it coming.
Pagkatapos, shoot lang dito.
Busog ka lang, oh.
Doon nila mabibilang eh. Eat well.
Hindi kita iningit na rin sa akin.
Sorry.
Dada, may order ka pa. Wow, si Maddie eating chocolate. Chicken.
Kaya, sobrang sarap, guys.
Stand up, please. Arigato. Thank you. Wow. Wow, sweet.
Eat ice cream!
Chillin'. My baby's chillin'. Want to try? Up, Daddy.
Wash yan.
Ayaw!
Wash yan. Wash yan.
Ayaw! 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 Basa!
Basa. Basa daw.
Inukot mo yung bato.
I play with the ananas. May kalaro ang baby. Here at ABC Mart, Abuela's buying sneakers.
Yay! Thank you very much.
Para lahat ng bibili.
Authentic. Authentic.
Quality is good.
Room tour. And this is our room in Hotel My Stay Shinsaibashi. Yan. Hi, Maddie. Just got home from Dotonbori. Go home. This is our home for 1 week. Spacious ang dito, no love? Ang CR compared sa Tokyo. Ayan. It's our 3rd day today here in Osaka. And we are going to Universal Studios. Yay! So excited. Maddie, are you ready? Finish na your breakfast. Oh? Abby bought me matcha latte. And we bought this last night sa Family Mart. And I had spam musubi for breakfast. Ngayon na nakapag-vlog ng maayos kasi nag-adjust pa kami dito. So, today is day 3. I think ihiwalay ko na lang yung vlog nito since magiging mahabang vlog to sa Universal. So, see you day 4. Good morning, Maddie. Wake up, little bunny.
Little fish.
Little fish.
Pagising na. Agad yan.
What's for breakfast? We'll have noodles for breakfast, some boiled egg, and pancakes for Maddie. We also have Fami Chiki from Family Mart. Si Ate Joy yung nag-introduce nito sa amin. Shout out, Ate Joy. And of course, coffee. Nag-sachet na kami kasi ang gastos. Sabi ko kay Habi, ito na lang. Sana masarap to, no? Today is day 4. Ay. And it's kind of a rest day today. Half day lang kami lalabas. Tonight lang to have dinner and karaoke time sa Dotonbori. Ay, di magla-lunch pala kami sa McDo lang nearby. We're here sa laundry area. We have laundry. Hi! May bendo pa dito, oh.
Oh, ito.
Siyempre kasama ko mag-ama. Yung makulit.
Sama mo yung plastic.
Nilek ko, 500 yen. So, let's put it. Oh, ayaw.
Sa baba.
Alam, hundreds lang, Habs.
Ang gata.
So, we have loose change. 100 lang pala dapat. Pin. Kailangan natin mag-alala pin. Ayun sa baba, Habs.
Pressable this, pressable.
Very good. Nagulat. Oh, get the milk tea,
Other one,
Mandy.
press.
Another one. Whoa. Get the milk tea. Ay, don't do that. Baka mag-press na naman, Habs. Very good, Maddie.
Dirty to dirty.
Hindi nakatiis. Let's go. Today is only 24 degrees. So, kaya pa ng shirt. Pero mamayang gabi, malamig na yan. Ang pa-energy. Hubby ordered 15 pieces McNuggets and fries, and this is a must try. Sabi sa mga vloggers. So let's try. We're gonna try the potato, bacon potato.
15 pieces, dalawa lang. Mustard sauce.
Sarap. Try ni Habi. Sarap, no?
Kapag yung mga
And it's, magkano to, Habs? 200 yen? I think it's 200 yen. Quite expensive. Pero okay naman. Mga 8 out of 10. Pupunta kami sa Donkey. Nag-iya si Habi. Sabi niya, shopping niya ako sa
shopping siya.
Diba?
Ano? Shopping siya ng sale.
Thank you.
Shopping ka ng sale.
Donkey, 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 donkey. Let's go inside Donkey Hotel. Daming filo here. Sasawa ko sa filo dito. So, I need the mascara. This is my favorite mascara. The purple one. So far, ito pa lang. Sorry.
Wala, boss.
May mga Gundams dito sa Don Quixote. Just got home from Don Quixote. So, These are the things that we bought.
I'm eating cookies.
And we also bought some perfumes and watches. Meron mga perfumes and watches. Kaya medyo napamahal yung bill. So, first wave pa lang yan kasi may second wave pa for chocolates. We are going for dinner. Yes, mommy's here. We're gonna eat here. 1,350 lang, Daddy.
Oh?
1,350.
60 minutes.
1,350.
Sa
Yan na,
Philippine money.
150.
Super love. Samgyeopsal in Japan.
Nabili ka mo.
Hi.
Ito lettuce nila. Oh.
For the, ano tayo, for the rabbit.
Yan na ito siya. Cabbage.
Rabbit niya. Let's eat. Daddy, I'm eating rice, sabi niya. Dahil na kami mag-eat. Ayan, may line na yung ano, samgyeopsal. There's a line. Big Echo. Okay. Go inside. Yee! Mariting ka eh. Tinitingnan ka na galit.
Dapat may ganito tayo sa bahay eh.
It's raining.